Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by mounting the camera to the sled and securing it snugly. This prevents mid-move shifts. Once done, center the lens over the gimbal post so balance adjustments track predictably. Then, make course tilt and roll corrections. Slide the camera fore and aft for tilt, and nudge left or right for roll. You do this now to minimize later fiddling. As you work, observe the camera's resting angle. Small changes here reduce time spent tuning the arm and gimbal later. Now you refine balance across all axes so the camera drifts slowly, not abruptly. That makes operator corrections smooth. Make micro adjustments to the pan axis using counterweights until the rig returns to center in 1 to 2 seconds. After that, set sled height and confirm tilt remains neutral when the post is vertical. Reposition if needed. Finally, match the arm's spring tension to the total payload and test with gentle swings. This ensures the arm absorbs motion without fighting you during real takes. You're ready to operate. Walk with a relaxed gait using knees and hips to isolate the rig and keep your head steady for consistent framing. Make short test moves, adjust the sled for final framing, and watch for any slow drift that signals imbalance. During long shoots, check and retighten fasteners after 10 minutes to prevent loosening. If you encounter wobble, first rebalance the pan axis, then confirm arm spring tension. Addressing those two fixes resolves most operational issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.